In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to forward emails to multiple recipients in Microsoft 365 Outlook. If you need to share one email with more than one person, Outlook makes that process very simple. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to open the message, forward it, add additional recipients, and send it out cleanly and efficiently. This is especially useful when you want to keep several people informed without having to copy and paste the same message into separate emails. To begin, go to your inbox in Microsoft 365 Outlook and open the email you want to forward. Make sure you are opening the exact message you want to share, since everything in that email, including the original content and any attachments, may be included in the forwarded version. Once the email is open, click the forward icon. This opens a new forwarding draft based on the message you selected. At this point, Outlook gives you a standard email compose window where you can choose who should receive the forwarded message. If needed, you can also add a short note at the top of the email to explain why you're forwarding it, although the main task here is simply sending it to multiple recipients. Next, click on CC. This will reveal the carbon copy field, which allows you to include additional recipients beyond the main to field. Using CC is helpful when you want multiple people to receive the same message and for everyone to be able to see who else received it. After that, click on the BCC button to select contacts from your directory. BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy, and it lets you send the email to additional people without showing their names or addresses to the other recipients. This can be useful when you want to protect privacy or avoid creating a long, visible recipient list. Depending on your Outlook setup, selecting BCC may also help you choose contacts directly from your organization's directory, making it faster to add the right people. Before you send the email, take a quick moment to review the recipient fields and make sure everyone is added correctly. It's a good habit to double check whether someone should be in the T, CC, or BC field, since each option serves a slightly different purpose. When everything looks good, click Send. Outlook will immediately forward the email to all the recipients you added. And that's it. That's how to forward emails to multiple recipients in Microsoft 365 Outlook. Once you know where the forward, CC, and BCC options are, the process becomes quick and easy to repeat whenever you need it.